Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers.
Hi.
Hey, I've got Lynne here from the Dapto Anglican Church. How are you this morning?
Very, very good, and
We're
looking forward to everybody coming down.
Yes, we're on day two.
Day two?
Day two, yes. Now, we're in the quilt exhibition here
yes,
now.
yep.
And behind us is
A compassion quilt.
compassion quilt. So what are the compassion quilts about?
Okay, they go out into the community with, we get asked for people who are terminal with cancer or they've just been diagnosed with breast cancer and they need that when they go for their chemotherapy.
Yes, yeah.
It keeps them warm, and it's just something that they can cuddle under and feel a bit loved.
Loved, yeah.
Yeah,
So, and different, like
Different
foster
things.
care.
Yeah, foster care, people with mental health issues.
Yeah.
We never say no
No.
when we do get asked.
So this one got first prize.
Yes,
the
this is-
compassion. Yes.
Yep.
So we'll walk down and we'll scan down here.
You don't want me in it all. the
Yeah,
time.
no, you can stay in it. No, you're chatting with me. Come on, let's walk together.
Yep.
So we'll look at number.
We
second
got
and third.
20. We
got
actually
20.
had 20 this time.
That's fantastic.
And it was scrap quilt, so they could use any of their scraps. They weren't able to go out and buy any material for it.
right, that was
Okay.
all scrap. So this one ended up being third prize.
Yep.
How
Look at the
bright.
bright colours.
Oh.
Some child will love that.
I was about to say that some child. Yeah, and then
look at the little squares.
Oh gosh, this one was scraps.
Yep.
Yep. These are the tiny little scraps, and this one got second prize.
Someone has a lot of patience.
Oh, definitely,
Yes,
definitely.
Heaps of patience. Actually, can we just duck in here? 'Cause
Yeah,
I don't
of
know
course.
if we did the art.
No, let's
Well,
go in
there's
here.
everybody in here.
Let's go in
This is
here.
our art exhibition. So we have, we've got three groups. We've got the crafters, we have the artists, and we also have card making when we do it on a
Right,
Friday.
yes, yeah.
Card you have to pay for because we've got to pay for all the little bits and
yeah,
pieces.
of course.
But this is, our artists are so,
Let me walk
so
around
talented.
this way so you can see.
So something else you can come and have a look
Yeah,
at.
yeah.
And quite a few of them are for sale.
Oh, okay. So you can
Yes.
actually purchase.
You can actually purchase it.
These are beautiful.
handmade, hand silk dyed.
Oh, beautiful. Look at these.
Yep.
They're nice.
Yep.
All
And we
right.
won't go in the other room, we'll just stand at the
No,
door.
let me
Because
just-
we show you everything, you won't come down.
No, you've got to come down. All right. Let's go in
What
here.
are you doing? All right, we're doing a thing.
There we go.
On Facebook.
Oh, look at this. Look, we've got all these lovely ones. So you'll have to come down and have a look through all
And
these
see it properly.
and see it properly. Okay. Let's go back. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at a bit more compassion quilts, but something else the ladies here at Dapto do, which is absolutely lovely for kids. So these are more of the compassion quilts up the top
Look at
here.
those.
Right.
They're worthy of certificates on their own, I think.
Yes.
Now you
know what I mean.
Here's some of the girls.
Yeah,
and
look,
guys.
say hi.
So we don't just have ladies, we
No,
do
we've
have
got
guys.
guys,
John
yes.
does cards.
Ah. Okay, so what have we got here?
Okay, these are twiddle muffs.
Right.
Now, we actually got asked by one of the nursing homes, I don't know how long ago, for dementia and Alzheimer patients. And I'll actually hold one up and show you what they are. They're a muff, and they actually have things attached to them so that it calms them down.
Yes, yeah.
And keeps them calm. We actually give them to children with Down syndrome, children on the spectrum. That's
Yes.
something else that
Yeah.
they need them for. We've been asked by schools to supply them.
And there's things in there
There's-
too.
Yeah, in and out.
In
There's
and out.
buttons, and
Yeah.
but you have to be very careful if you're thinking of making them.
Yeah.
I pull hell out of them.
Yeah.
I do a quality control because they have our name on them and make sure. And the other thing we have
Yes, these are great.
is our belly buddies.
Yes.
Okay, which are for tube fed, or they're actually called, what's the name of it? It's got a special thing on it. It's actually enteral or enteral feeding tubes.
Tubes,
So
yeah,
someone
tube.
who has a tube in
Tube
their belly,
yeah.
and it protects the skin from
Yeah.
the acids
The acids.
that come that way. Yeah,
Ah.
we do charge for those because they are specially made, but it's not much. It's $7.50 and
Yeah.
that's for 10 of
The
them.
10 of them, yeah. And they're washable and everything as
They're
well.
they're cotton.
Yeah.
They're all 100% cotton.
100%. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's day two, don't forget we have to set up. Now,
Yep.
we're going to do a quick round to the first, second and third prize in your quilts.
Okay.
Okay, in our quilt show. So,
We hope don't get sick with the walking.
no. They can see all the quilts behind me too, which is great.
Number one.
Number one, here is the first prize one. Look at this beautiful quilt.
And it's actually called Bargello quilt.
Here we go.
I won't say by who because you can come down and
Now,
have a look.
come and have a look. Second prize.
This is third.
Oh, this is third.
This
We'll
is
do this
third.
one while it's here.
This one's
Look at
Meg's
all the
Garden.
applique.
Now that's needle turned
Yes.
or by hand.
All by hand. Beautiful quilt. And then we'll run around here. We're getting dizzy going around here.
Oh, we don't just have quilts.
Oh, no. We'll come back. I'll do the end
that
there.
in a minute?
Yep, I'll do that in the
And
end.
this one's going to blow your eyes out.
Oh, yeah, this one's a great one. I love brights too. So here we go. Look at this one.
Brilliant beauties of joy.
Absolutely wonderful. Come down and see them. Lots of quilts around. And we'll just run back this way because we don't just have quilts here.
We have what we do with our other groups. They don't all quilt. They
No, we've got crocheting. We've got embroideries.
Yeah, diamond dots. The
Yeah.
latest craze.
So there's lots and lots and lots and lots of things here to do. So thanks, Lynn, for running around. We're going to post this up on Facebook
Grab
and
us
Instagram.
and say hello when you come down.
Yes, definitely. And I've got my stand here. So don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch everything through here. You'll see it on Facebook, Instagram. And happy sewing, everyone. Bye.